Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be opening up this package. This package is actually an essential oil kit. It's actually two diffusers. One of them is for my mom, one of them is for me. And it's also a couple actual essential oil sets. So I was looking at some YouTube videos. I saw some guy who made a video. He had an essential oil situation going on in his video. And the package is actually really small. It's two diffusers and like four essential oil ones. Again, some of it is for my mom, some of it is for me, but also my grandma wanted a set for herself of a diffuser and some essential oils. So I went ahead and got her that, but that's gonna come later on. So yeah, it's really small of a package. I was expecting like a bigger box, but I guess they're pretty small, these diffusers. Okay, well, I'm only gonna open mine, and then first let me show you hers, how it looks like. This is gonna be for my mom. It's an aromatherapy diffuser. I got the InnoGear one. This is like the wood colored one, right? It comes in this little box. And then I got $20, and then I got mine, which is this one. Hers, like, again, wood colored, kind of natural, like hardwood floor type color. And this right here is mine. It's the Your Power. Hers is, I think it's called the InnoGear. Same type thing. Mine is the Your Power model OD 101. So there you go. Yeah, let's just go ahead and open it. And we also got some of the essential oils themselves. Again, I'm only gonna open my diffuser and then one of the essential oil sets, because I got one for me. And I'm really excited. I've never had an essential oil diffuser or anything like this. But let's open it. So we're already 2 minutes into the video. Okay. Okay, so at the top we got a little manual. Save that, put it right here. Sticker, sorry about that. And we got a charger. And we got the diffuser itself. I guess it can change color, because mine is like transparent, I guess. Alright, so we got this little thing here, and well, this is how it looks right here. As you can see, it's like this Your Power logo. Right here we have the light button and the mist button, and I'll look into the settings for how the settings will work for this. And at the top you have the actual hole for the diffusing it. You take this off, you see the drain side, it says right there, and inside, I guess that's just where you put the essential oils, right there. And then you just put it on, and I'll turn it on for you guys too, so you guys can see how that looks. So that's the diffuser itself, about $20. Again, I got the one for the aroma, the other one, the wooden style one. For my grandma, I got the a little bit different looking one, a little bit more expensive, $15 more, but that one is a little bit bigger, I guess, a little bit of a different shape. But these two are pretty similar in shape. Okay, so I'm gonna set this aside, and now we're gonna look into what I have here for this. Here is the actual essential oils. We got this Laguna Moon Premium Essential Oils. So I got two of these sets, one for me, one for my mom, because when I first got this, it was just for me and my mom. And then I got my mom this one, which is these S-Lux Pure Essential Oil Therapeutic Grade, 6 bottles in this box. And I think on the back it'll say what it's got. It's got the Ylang, Jasmine, Cherry Blossom, Gardenia, White Tea, and Rose. On this one, does it say on the back here what it's got? This one doesn't say, but we'll open this one anyway. One of these is mine. And I got this one. This one's really heavy. It's got all the flavors right there and such. As you can see. Pause the video if you can't really see. My hand is shaking. You can kind of tell what's going on there. Okay. This one has 18 bottles. This is a really good one. This was like $25. Okay, so let's open up my Laguna Moon Essentials premium oils, and I'll turn this on and we'll get it started. So just plugged it in. In real life it doesn't like have a flashy effect, it's just on camera, but super cool because over here you can change the actual light color. Goes to like this lighter blue, it's like this violet, like this other color, to without the light, orange, yellow, green, light green. Again, on in real life it doesn't like flash, it just looks like that because of the camera speed. So we're gonna keep it on like this blue right here, and let's open up and see what we have in these. Okay, so got a nice little, it's like a leathery box. Take this off. Got a little user manual, and there you go. There's the actual samples themselves. There's lavender, there's peppermint, there's lemongrass, there's orange, eucalyptus, and tea tree. I'm excited to get this stuff used and going. Let's see if I can actually get it used here a little bit. Let's choose one. I think I'll go with eucalyptus. Alright, so I got it running. As you can see, there's some vapor coming out of there. I used actually the tea tree, which is upon smelling all of the oils, this is the one that came out the most, I like the most. So it's on the green light thing. As you can see, there's also the red function. The red will make it go non-stop with the burning it up. Oh, but I didn't say this yet, but yeah, so then if you, by the way, if you press it one time, it'll just come off. So I just do, so the green one is for 30-second on and off every 30 seconds. And the red one is just constantly going to be on with the burning up of the water and oil. It's not just oil that's being burnt up. Let's go ahead and turn it off just to be safe. I get no comments that I'm using it wrong. As you can see, the oil stopped being burned up, or the stuff inside. What you have to do right here, as you can see, this is the inside. I had to add a little bit of water. There's like a line that it recommends you up to, that's water, and then you do a drop or two of the selected essential oil, and there you go. And honestly, it already starts smelling really good. I love the smell of tea tree. It already smells really good. So I'm going to leave it on for 30 seconds. I definitely could see the therapeutic and just nice vibe that it gives, this stuff. And I don't have to change it that often. One set of these oils, which is like 6 of these stuff, I hear, I don't know, the guy said, and I just read some comments, he said it's not that out, it's not like even daily, because it's only burning up so much water every 30 seconds. It's a little bit, but anyways, I'll just probably leave it on during the day. And I'll have a lot of them, and then once a week or something, I'll probably replace the entire water. It'll burn out by then. Add some more water, a few new drops, and as you can see, it'll go on and off every 30 seconds. And it's just gonna make the room feel really nice. And just select your choice of essential oil. It's gonna smell really awesome, the room. That's all I have for this video. Thank you for watching. Again, got more essential oils over there. Those aren't for me. Alright, thanks for watching. Happy essential oiling. Man, it smells so good.